Hi friends, this is Pankaj here and welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to create a multi-level numbering with built-in heading styles. Place the cursor anywhere on the text you want to format as a multi-level number. Click the multi-level numbering command. From the menu choose Define New Multilevel List option. The new window opens. Click the More button for extra options. Choose level 1. Click on Enter Formatting for Number. Delete default text. Choose a numbering style from here. Then again click here and put a dot. Number alignment is left. Position of the number aligned that is 0 inches. Text indent that is spacing from left margin to the number is 0.25 inches. Choose level 2. Click on Enter Formatting for Number. Delete default text. Choose a numbering style from here. Then again click here and take the cursor back. Then click on Include Level Number From and choose level 1 because level 2 is subordinate to level 1. Now click here and put a dot. Number alignment is left. For the value of number aligned at, go back to level 1 and copy the value of text indent. Paste the value here which is 0.25 inches. And the value of text indent will be 0.625 inches. To learn how to find the value of text indent, please watch the video, link is given in description box. Choose level 3. Click on Enter Formatting for Number. Delete default text. Choose a numbering style from here. Then again click here and take the cursor back. Then click on Include Level Number From and choose level 2 because level 3 is subordinate to level 2. Now click here and put a dot. Now again take the cursor back and click here and choose level 1 because level 2 is subordinate to level 1. Now click here and put a dot. Number alignment is left. For the value of number aligned at, go back to level 2 and copy the value of text indent and paste the value here which is 0.625 inches. Now the value of text indent will be 1.125 inches. Click OK and multi-level numbering is created. Now select the text, click on multi-level numbering command, choose Define New Multilevel List and press OK. Now the entire text has been converted into multi-level numbering. To change the level of a line, place the cursor at the beginning of the line, press the tab key to increase the level and hold shift and press tab key to decrease the level. To auto number chapters and sections and maintain their hierarchy in a long document, it's better to use heading styles, not the tab key. Place the cursor anywhere on the text and click on the multi-level numbering command. Choose Define New Multilevel List. Now choose level 1 and from the Link Level to Style menu, pick the style heading 1. Now choose level 2 and pick heading 2 style. Now choose level 3 and pick heading 3 style for this. Click OK. Now place the cursor on the text and for desired level choose the appropriate heading style from the gallery and auto numbering with hierarchy will be applied. Let's add some text in our document to check the benefit of using heading styles. We simply choose the desired heading styles from the gallery and the hierarchy level with auto numbering is created automatically. Place the cursor on the text and for desired level choose the appropriate heading style from the gallery and auto numbering with hierarchy will be applied. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks.